You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people. Guess what? You don't know say Vybz Kartel look alike. This spice wicked over the gram. The man deal with her, we and I'll tell her about her mother, father and all these things. You see me? So we are gonna talk about that in this video. But before we talk about that topic there, check out the new artist here when named J-RILE. Yo, me I tell you say the dog sick and me can't see them artists here and go on like some more and grow on them thing. Like say me a look colorist for lose. No sir. So make we start with J-RILE Jimmy.
Triple murder again. Bloodshedding continues as Jamaica's most wanted James Thompson, also known as Jimmy, has struck again, leaving 3 dead in his wake.
Yo, Jimmy grew up rough, Jimmy never know love. One assassin grow as a soldier.
So basically, him a talk about a character when named Jimmy. You see me? And you see the youth when I talk about him no take no talk. Him end up becomes Jamaica's most wanted. You see me? And right now I'm just a show some things where I say yo, I see him so get a youth get caught up in a system, get caught up in the gun runnings, get caught up in the gangster life and all these things. And then eventually get caught up in a board box and go 6'6". You see me? So me like that song yeah. Me like that song because it's very motivational. You see me? And even though it's already more set tough, girl I say you think, you see me? And that's something there, the man still try and go on different avenue because from your ear that already me I know you want dance. And the man say, alright, you know what? Me I go make you dance, me I go make you bounce, but here what? Me I go make you do it to a conscious tune. And me have to rate artists like them are full of concept.
Mama hardly around, Papa never show up. Full of thoughts so evil, so we made a program. Jimmy still loyal, but not just no one. Jump out, walk down, mother ball, oh God. Anything for you, Jimmy have no fuss. Kappa stuck in a teeth.
So people, I host a live streaming show this and every Monday at 8, you see me? And it's called Monday Night Live. But you see this Monday, you see tomorrow Monday, and that's the 4th of February 2018, J-RILE I go in at the place, you see me? And we are going to go all a reason and find out where him get them bad concept from, where him get them bad song from, you see me? That I go on.
Coming up it wasn't easy, no. People change so easy, no know who feel just. Nothing no come easy, fall get back up. Go again, world will try to break us, just never give up. Girl up give me a call. On the grind always on the go, hear the funds are call. Altitude 40,000 up. Yeah, yo. Touchdown like Brady at the Super Bowl. Like a lion for real, so the engine roar. Black tin gold rims, yo, we winning you know. Flights after flights, yo, we up and we out.
So people, me sure wanna know Vybz Kartel look alike. The man look exactly like Vybz Kartel. So that's why them call him Vybz Kartel look alike. So since Vybz Kartel lay a prison from 2011 or 12 somewhere there so, yo, it's like Kartel still a do videos and Kartel a do X, Y and Z same way. So them get the character here where the man favor Kartel splitting image of Kartel. If me put theme picture and Kartel picture beside each other, you can't know say which one a Kartel. You see me? So the first major music video we see Kartel look alike coming up, a conjugal visit with him and Spice. You see me? So check it out right now in case you forget.
And you me say please skin out your glory.
Me want you come me like you own me.
Me love you, you know me love you, don't it?
Me love you, come fuck me like you own me.
After that video went viral, you see me? People start speculating and say, wait, but them let out Vybz Kartel out of jail just for do a music video, not knowingly say, yo, it's just a brother will look exactly like Kartel. You see me? The man will tattoo the same tattoo them like Kartel and stuff like that, you see me? So he would have like the notable one them like the Gaza on the knuckle and stuff like that. Another notable music video when did forward a Vybz Kartel and Wayne Marshall featuring other artists, but Kartel in it, and for the Kartel part of him play Kartel. So go hard with Wayne Marshall.
Other than natures of getting Kartel on the line.
So now that's we establish who Kartel look alike is. The man goes so booms and this spice wicked. So him take it to Fame Instagram and upload this on him Instagram.
They'll do a video. Y'all did the conjugal visit video.
That wasn't him.
Oh, it wasn't?
No.
That's what they told you to say.
No, it wasn't him. So I made a lookalike.
Oh, I thought it was him.
Right. No, I made a lookalike.
I was like, how are you doing videos?
I know.
Well, he is doing music.
When did Buju come on?
So people, that interview was done a while back. You see me? I don't remember when, but it done a while back now. So, after him upload that, the caption where him put, read, suck your mother, girl, hashtag spice. Who you made? That's all you do, was use me, don't pay me, then abuse my little career. Even though you didn't pay me, I could have made some money some other way. People were trying to find me in those times from all over the world, but you told them you don't have any link to me, and I wasn't using any social media platform, so you knew they couldn't find me. Jano, that one. All because you knew you were covering up something, and I made an Instagram page in 2016, and you were the first person to block me. People ever stop and wonder how them never see me or hear me on an interview from me do conjugal visit? You hide me from all of them. If you never block me, I could tag you in this. So people, me not even know. Because if I tell you the truth, me never really see him in our interview yet. Because she did do an on-stage interview in at the same time there when she have the conjugal visit song there. And him never go up on stage with her. But at her party, at her birthday party, because me don't know if you remember, them did have like a song launch or a video launch or something, a triple seed at a triple century. You see me? And him did it. Me go play the interview where she did do on stage, and you go see the little clippings what me I talk about.
Okay, and they have this big, exciting, show-stopping, road-blocking launch at Triple Century, at Gail's Triple Century.
Definitely.
In New Kingston.
And that was a huge success. I mean, there was a lot of people that came out. It was free. Some of my fans came and they got a chance to mix and mingle with me. And we did the launch for the video. And to me, it was a huge success. Mm-hmm. So it was really good. The entrance alone, everybody's talking about my grand entrance.
Yes.
Because I actually, you know, I have the lookalike in, because let me clear it up.
Yes, clear up the lookalike.
The lookalike was there with me. We came with the grand entrance, him have on him orange suit, you know, him other inmate them with him and, you know, police escort and the whole thing. So we made it look, and everybody was like, Adi, welcome back. I can't even imagine how fans are going to react when the real KARTEL come back. It was overwhelming. Really, really good.
Some believe that it was KARTEL?
A lot of people believe that it was KARTEL because him look like him for true.
So in that interview, she didn't made much reference of the KARTEL lookalike, you see me? But right now, the man step forward and the man say, yo, right, you know, yeah, hold on me thing because you not give me no strength, you see me? You block me, and people knowing Spice, there's most something behind this. So don't be surprised upon the next Genie Saturday, that's next week, Saturday, on our page, you hear she clear it up and I say, yo, this and that and that. But believe me, probably there's a story about it where we don't know. Probably there's a story about it where bigger than this post. Because me not really feel like say she just go stop using him like that. You see me? But then again, yo, I can never know. You see me? So as the story develops more, we definitely are gonna make you know what took place, or as me get any more information, uno are gonna know. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, make me know what you think. You feel say Spice fi just easy upon the dissing thing cause she had this too much people. Well, technically she never really diss him still. At least she not diss him yet. Cause me know say Spice probably just a wait for the perfect moment for the perfect clapback. You know say she had the clapback queen. So make me know all on the thoughts in the comment section below. You see me? And people, please remember to check me out tomorrow night. Same place on the live interview with J-RILE. You see me? That I go sick, it I go epic. We are going to talk about things. And you don't see say the artists are bad artists. So me I go link a few songs below. A matter of fact, me just a link in VEVO page. And you just go over there, go subscribe. And anyone I video them, you play and you hear say it sound bad, just comment and say, yo, a Chaddy Morris send me over here. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. and I'm out.
Yeah, man. I mean, I'm the general there, you know. Musa Baruka, you know. You see me at
the video, yeah, man.
So you have a look
at take the picture, man, before I move on.
Take a picture, man.
I'm hardly around, Papa never show up. Full of thoughts so evil, so we made a program. Jimmy still loyal, but not just no one. Jump out, walk down, mother ball, oh God. Anything for you, Jimmy, if you know first, copper stuck in a teeth.